demarcated boundaries, map population, territorial data. The GHMC authorities have not shared, sir. They have not shared the crucial data which is the basis of any delimitation exercise with the corporators, nor with ex officio members and the general public, sir. Why haven't you shared it? Why are you hiding it? Why are you keeping it to yourself? Sir, I will point out that delimitation commission constituted to demarcate the assembly and parliamentary constituency shares the data on census population, area and demarcated boundaries of each constituency, even issuing the preliminary notification and the final notification. MP और MLA के delimitation होते हैं तो they share, sir. और ये GHMC वाले share ही नहीं करे. Why did they not share with us, sir, is the question, sir. Sir, I would demand the GHMC to place the map and the population and area details of each 300 wards before the public. Moreover, after delimitation exercise is completed, the reservation for wards and expanded GHMC has to be taken up. I may point out that reservation for wards for women, scheduled caste, scheduled tribe is done on the basis of census population, while the reservation for wards of backward is done on the basis of their voter strength. SC, STs का आपको census पे करना पड़ेगा. So how are you going to do the reservation of seats without the new census? Are you going to do it on the population basis, or are you going to do it on the whole census? What when new census report comes? Are you going to hold the elections before the new census? क्या आप इलेक्शन नए सेंसस का रिजल्ट आने से पहले कराने वाले, ताकि वो नए सेंसस का हमारे ऊपर इतलाक ना हो? These are the questions which needs to be answered, sir. Sir, I would like to point out the reorganization of circles and zones and expanded GHMC have also been done in a hurry, bypassing the rules and procedures that entail that issue be first cleared by the standing committee and the general body, sir. Standing committee और general body में clearance होना है उसका. लेकिन sir, I may point out that Qutbullahpur zone has 7 circles, Rajendra Nagar has 6 circles, Malkajgiri, Uppal, Charminar, Golconda, Khairtabad, Secunderabad, Sri Ringampalli have 5 circles each, whereas LB Nagar, Shamshabad, Kukatpalli have 4 circles. The main drawback in the entire exercise of delimitation of wards and reorganization of circle and zone is that the basis, principles, procedure have not been followed, sir. Sir, ward circle zones cut across and spill over assembly constituencies, sir, boundaries. Sir, I may point out that some areas, I'm giving an example of my Chandrayana constituency, sir, have been included into wards falling under other assembly constituencies, vice versa, sir. Moreover, circle falling under the areas of assembly constituency in city have been included into zones spilling into assembly constituencies of neighboring districts. Circles falling under Bahadurpura and Chandrayana Gutta assembly constituencies have been included in Rajendra Nagar zone. So now, my constituency people will have to go to Rajendra Nagar zonal office for all their work, sir. There is a flurry of activity in GHMC which is with the posting of more than a dozen IS officers, additional commissioners, zonal commissioner, SS GHMC commissioner sahab, who's referred by his officers as honorable commissioner. Honorable commissioner, sir. Naya dekha, sir, I see all the, notification, letters, everything. Usme zabardast bol rahe hain. Honorable commissioner. Wow. Very good, sir. Sir, I heard her worship the mayor, his worship the mayor, but assigning horrific titles to officer is something new. Honorable commissioner. Honorable commissioner. Honorable member of legislative assembly बोल के नहीं बोल रहे सर हमारे को. क्या ये देखो आप ऑनरेबल मिनिस्टर बोल के नहीं बोल रहे, इंचार्ज मिनिस्टर बोल के नहीं बोल रहे आपको, मगर ऑफिसर्स को देखो सर ऑनरेबल कमिश्नर. Sir, the GHMC amendment bill, the GHMC second amendment and the Telangana municipality fourth amendment bill are introduced now for discussion and passage. I would urge the government, sir, I'm now coming up with the suggestions and concluding, sir. I would like to urge them to keep the notification on delimitation of wards and reorganization of circles and zones in abeyance for the time being and hold wider consultation with political parties, elected representatives and general public, sir. Sir, I would also demand the government to table the report of the Center for Good Governance and Administrative Staff College of India on the expansion and reorganization of GHMC, sir. There is an old saying, act in haste and repent in leisure. So I hope that you understand this. Unless the demilitation of wards and reorganization of circles and zones is done afresh, this may create chaos for everyone, general public, elected representatives and political parties. Heavens are not going to fall in the whole process of GHMC expansion takes some more time, sir. But let us do it in a proper way. Sir, GHMC Amendment Bill inter alia incorporates provision of establishing one or more municipal corporation in expanded city, that is Telangana core urban region, sir. All the 4 metropolitan cities as Bengaluru have more than one municipal corporation. More than one municipal corporation. So through you, I would like to suggest that to protect the identity of brand Hyderabad, we need to go for 3 municipalities, municipal corporation. In the TCUR, namely Hyderabad Municipal Corporation, comprising the area of Hyderabad district. A second municipal corporation covering area of Rangareddy and Sangareddy district. And a third municipal corporation consisting of area of Medchal